Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, when you're driving along the highways, sometimes crazy things happen that are hard to believe. From accidents to acts of Mother Nature, the road can be a scary place. Having a great dash cam can be a huge benefit to you, both to capture these crazy stories on camera, but also to keep you safe in the event of an accident to show investigators exactly what happened. Honestly, if you've ever been in an accident where it came down to your word against theirs, I bet you kicked yourself wishing that you had a great dash cam to catch the whole thing on camera. Well, today we're going to be breaking down some of our favorite dash cams and going over some of the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested. Also, if I happen to find any deals, discounts, or coupon codes, I'll throw those in the description for you as well. So first up, we have the best high-resolution dash cam, and that's going to be the Rover R2 4K dash cam. Now, this is definitely a high-quality dash cam recording in beautiful 4K video. It has a small screen-based interface with a button control and also extended controls via Wi-Fi. In terms of features, it has a G-sensor parking mode, slow-motion video, and a large f1.8 aperture. It also has a fantastic 150-degree field of view to make sure that you can capture everything that's happening on the road. If you're looking for the clearest and sharpest resolution for your dash cam and you really want to get some great 4K video of your drive, then this is definitely a great option for you. Also, having that 150-degree field of vision is a great added bonus. So if that sounds like you, definitely check out the Rover R2 4K dash cam. Next up, we have the best high-capacity dash cam, and that's going to be the Blackvue DR900X with 256 gig micro SD card. Now, dash cams are great, especially dash cams with high resolution. But the problem is, because they're rolling anytime that you're on the road, you will lose storage space very quickly, considering the camera is rolling all the time and recording all of that footage. Now, with most dash cams, they will automatically delete any footage that's saved once it reaches capacity and start from scratch. But depending on the capacity of your dash cam, you might lose some important footage and not even realize it. So that's why it's great to have a high-capacity dash cam like the Blackvue that we mentioned. Now, this camera does shoot in 4K video. It also gets hardwired to your fuse panel, and that's great because it allows for uninterrupted operation. It also has a parking mode and is even compatible with nano SIM cards for LTE connectivity and cloud uploading, which means that you can expand your storage even further than the 256 gigabytes. So if you're looking for a high-capacity camera to make sure that you capture everything on your drive, definitely check out the Blackvue DR900X 2CH. Next up, we have the best dash cam with safety features, and that's going to be the Nextbase 422 GW dash cam. Now, this is truly a unique dash cam. It actually has the ability to detect accidents and alert emergency services. So if you're ever in an accident and there's a situation where you've been incapacitated, or perhaps your phone was damaged in the crash and you're unable to call police or medical services, this dash cam will actually do it for you. It actually has an Alexa assistant built in and records in 440p resolution at 30 frames per second. After an accident, it will check to see if you're responsive, and if you've been unresponsive for some time, it will alert authorities. This is a great way to keep yourself and your family safe, and a great dash cam option overall. Next up, we have the best large screen dash cam, and that's going to be the Auto-Vox V5 Pro. This is a really cool device, and it's great for those of you with older vehicles who don't have a ton of dash space. You see, this dash cam actually replaces your rear view mirror. It actually has a reflective surface that doubles as a 9.5-inch screen. This offers both front and rear recording and a parking monitor. It's easy to install and allows you to completely swap out that rear view mirror and replace it with something much more tech savvy instead. It also records in crisp 1080p video, and it's powered directly by your fuse box. So if space in your vehicle is limited, or maybe you just want a really cool rear view mirror, this is a great option for you. Speaking of space saving, next up we have the best space saving dash cam, the Garmin DASHCAM Mini. This unit is incredibly compact, and it will actually attach to your windshield and record 1080p footage at a 140-degree angle. It does actually record straight to a micro SD card, which is great. You can expand the storage as you see fit. Also, your controls and footage review are available over Wi-Fi with the proprietary app. One neat feature here is it will automatically record and save traffic accidents while keeping a low profile. So again, if you're looking for the best space-saving option, definitely check out the Garmin DASHCAM Mini. Anyway guys, that's a look at some of the best dash cams available. Hopefully, if you're interested in adding a dash cam to your morning commute, this was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give us a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there and do a little bit of your own research. Also, if I happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I will also throw those down for you as well. Also, if you happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. I love getting to respond to as many of those as possible. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.